Hi everyone. Today we learn to write a short essay in 10 lines on the topic Diwali. Let's start. First line is Diwali is a very important festival of Hindus, but all the religions together celebrate it in a grand manner. Second line is Diwali is also known as the Festival of Lights. Third line is it is celebrated on the Amavasya day of the Kartik October or November month. Fourth line is Diwali is celebrated by different people for different reasons but with unity. Fifth line is some people believe that Shri Ram Chandra ji had returned to Ayodhya on this day after defeating Ravana, and some believe that Lord Mahavira got salvation on this day, etc. Sixth line is people start preparing to celebrate it in many days advance, like they clean, decorate, and whitewash their house, office, and shops. Seventh line is people exchange gifts and sweets with each other on this day of happiness. Eighth line is people wear new clothes and burst crackers on this day. Ninth line is people worship goddess of wealth Lakshmi at night on this day. 10th line is Diwali is a symbol of victory of good over evil. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and to like and share this video.